In this video, we will examine this powerful website called LeadSwift. We'll examine its features to determine whether it lives up to the hype and if it is the best lead generation solution. So to get started, what is LeadSwift? LeadSwift is a software designed to boost your B2B lead generation. It's a comprehensive platform that simplifies sales and advertising effort. Imagine having the tools that help you pinpoint the right people to whom to send marketing email blasts and campaign messages. That LeadSwift. It streamlines outreach by identifying potential clients and ensuring your website attracts experimental visitors. LeadSwift is built to help you generate more qualified leads without the usual headache. It helps you connect with potential customers so you can grow your business. It takes the guesswork out of finding leads so you can focus on closing deals. And here's the key benefit about this particular website. They find lead everywhere. LeadSwift help you find potential customers from many online sources. It's not just LinkedIn. It puts information from places like Facebook, even YouTube page. And also, it instead of manual research for contact information, LeadSwift can automate the process. This saves time and allow you to focus on their essential tasks. It also gives access to detailed information, and also you have more key benefits like recommended by agency. Also improve your sales, which makes it more potential. And here the key best features about this LeadSwift. They offer the lead generator with a website auditor and also a social presence analyzer, which make the work super effective with advertising snapshot. So that's it. So talking about the pricing plan, they have different pricing plan for their service. They have the starter, they have the professional, they have the agency. So if you want more information about their pricing plan, you can simply refer to their website to get the most out of it. And here's the pros and cons about the website. So talking about the pros, which is the important part, the comprehensive leads generation, which makes the work super cool, the automation, detailed information, integration, analytics, and the security. And talking about the downside, which is the data accuracy, can be small, frustrating. The cost, the learning curve can be a bit difficult to learn, and the data limited customization. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website.